Shubh Car Insurance, insurance that exceeds your everyday expectations. With Shubh Auto Insurance, you can expect a seamless experience, so your day to day can go on like nothing ever happened. Your time is valuable, whether it's driving to hockey practice or taking a long distance trip. You need to be able to rely on your car to get you where you need to go, from repair to rental. We make it easy, getting you back on the road faster. Shubh Masterpiece Auto Coverage highlights: restore your car to pre-claim condition. If you are in a covered accident, Shubh always pays for original equipment manufacturer OEM parts to restore your car to a similar look, feel, and function as before. Get the attention you deserve. Our team of collision repair experts will oversee your repairs and are uniquely trained to pay the highest attention to style and safety. Whether it's making sure your backup camera works properly after damage to a bumper or checking the exact paint color on a damaged door, they get your car back to pre-claim condition. Determine the value of your car. When you are a Shubh client, you can choose to purchase coverage where the value of your car is determined and granted before a covered loss. That means if your car is damaged beyond repair or stolen, you get a check for that amount, regardless of age or mileage, within the policy period. Rent a car to fit your lifestyle. If you need a temporary car while yours is being fixed after an accident, there is no per day limit on your rental car, up to $15,000 total. At Shubh, we don't believe in forcing you to drive a sedan when you own an SUV. No, you are covered anywhere in the world. Our claim team in 54 countries are here to assist you at home or abroad, 24/7, 365 days a year. Shubh tips. Did you know 16 years old have higher crash rates than drivers of any other age? Before purchasing a vehicle, review vehicle safety rating information from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, including award winning vehicles and tips for choosing the best vehicle for your teen driver. Tips and resources. We help you stay ahead and informed with these helpful tips and tricks. Number 2, important things you can do to keep your teen drivers safe. For many parents, the teenage driving years are both good and bad. Here are the two most important things you can do to keep your teen drivers safe. For many parents, the teenage driving years are both good and bad. Finally, your kid can drive themselves to their activities, giving you additional free time. But on the other hand, parents are aware of the statistics and the risk of teens behind the wheel. As a parent, you may feel like you don't have any control over your teens driving, but you do. Here are the two most important things you can do to keep your teen safe. Number 1. model the right behavior. While teenagers may seem like they don't listen to you anymore, they pay attention to your actions. Make sure you are doing all the right thing and following all the rules when you drive. Number 2, put together a formal agreement between you and your teen. Studies have shown that teens show less risky driving behaviors when there is a formal agreement in place, detailing how they need to behave when they are behind the wheel. The items in your agreement should align with the behaviors you model on a daily basis. Examples of important components of a formal agreement might include: always wear a seat belt. 90% of teens with an agreement wear seat belts, while only 53% of those without an agreement do. Never drink and drive. 94% of teens with an agreement never or rarely drive after drinking, while only 39% of those without an agreement do. Never text while driving. 91% of teens with an agreement never or rarely text while driving, while 61% of those without an agreement do. Obey the speed limit. Speeding is a big problem for new drivers. Especially make sure you are showing them that staying under the speed limit is important. Speak up if a driver isn't driving safely. Help your teen come up with the right words to use if they are in the car with an unsafe driver, and option for how to get home using other means.